We came across this Reddit thread last week where a person asked, "What is the most obscure but correct diagnosis you've seen suggested by a non-physician?" Hundreds of people have commented on the thread, with dozens sharing their favorite zebra stories.
One of my favorite stories was by a commenter with the username Not Gonna Dox Me, who said that they were an EMT, and they shared a story about a 30-year-old guy with palpitations, elevated blood pressure, and heart rate, who was very anxious. And they said their coworker assumed right away it must be triggered by some substance use. So they asked the man about taking stimulants, but the patient denied it. Eventually, the patient seemed to remember that they did in fact smoke this white flower earlier, but they didn't remember what it was. And the commenter on a hunch asked if it was Jimson weed, and the patient immediately said yes. And they said that their coworker was in disbelief for the rest of the night at this guess. The commenter apparently knew about this plant and its effects because they took a college course about plants that were historically used in religious ceremonies, and it just stuck in their brain.